I'm back again, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, or at least I want to say it's time for Christmas lights. Here with Speedwrapper, it's always time for Christmas lights. I want to address something today that we hear all the time. Is it worth it, right? Is it worth it, the time, the money, and energy to have something like this, right? Again, Speedwrapper allows you to wrap 3 strands at once. And you may be asking, what do you mean, is it worth it? Well, when we put on a Christmas light strand, you do have to make the 3 strands at once. Again, with our wrapping kit, you get the 3-strand adapter that you apply to your Speedwrapper lights. Easy, put it on. You do this over and over again until now you have, again, 3 strands that wrap just like 1 strand. For the professional Christmas light seller, the professional Christmas light wrapper, for the Christmas light fanatic, yes, it is worth it. And here at Speedwrapper, we think it's worth it because we use it ourselves, right? Not only are you going to get the 3-strand adapter, which saves time, but you also get the flexible light roller, right? With our Speedwrapper adapting attachable product right here in the middle. Again, is it worth it? We think it is. It does take some time. It will take some energy, but at the end of the day, your Christmas lights are going to be protected. They're going to be able to store better. And every year when you get out those Christmas lights, once you have them installed, you'll be able to wrap your trees faster, much faster, 60% faster, right? We believe that the time and energy it takes that first time you do it, right, to set up the Speedwrapper will pay off over and over and over again every Christmas season. And again, for those professional wrappers, right, it's important, right? It may take you some time, but you can do more trees, more jobs. You can hit more houses, right? You can wrap faster. You can make more money by saving money and time using Speedwrapper.